Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your For You page on TikTok. To get started, first open your TikTok app. Now go to your search button. Here just click on cross button in order to delete your search history. Just tap on it. Now go back to your For You page and click on profile button. Here it will navigate to your profile page. Now click on top right corner 3 bar. Now click on setting and privacy. Next scroll down until you find free up space. Tap on it. Now click on clear button. Now close your TikTok app. Again reopen TikTok app. Your For You page should be reset. That's wrap for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.